Live from KTTC, your weather authority, this is KTTC News at 6.
Thanks for joining us on this Wednesday evening. Despite the Federal Drug Administration saying no to boosters for the general population, Mayo Clinic's most recent Pfizer vaccine study paints a different picture.
The study focuses on the waning efficacy of the vaccine, and it is still under peer review. Our Carly Petros joins us live in the studio tonight after speaking to one of the doctors involved in this study. So Carly, why was this study done on only the Pfizer vaccine?
Well, Tom and Caitlin, the Mayo Clinic doctor I spoke with says our geography played a role in this decision, as well as the fact Pfizer was available much earlier and in larger numbers compared to the other COVID-19 vaccines.
10,000 people who took the Pfizer vaccine were monitored in this study for 6 months. During that time, 600 people showed some kind of symptom and tested positive for the virus.
What we did was a study that used something called a test negative design, which is to say we looked at individuals who had been vaccinated over time and looked at those who were vaccinated who had a test for COVID-19 because of some kind of symptom at some point or another.
Dr. Ohoro says hospitalization was rare.
We looked at what the risk was over time of the test being positive for COVID-19 for those who were getting tested who had been vaccinated, matching them based on when they got their test and looking at those who were positive versus negative.
So what did they find?
What we found was that overall, the rates of infection were starting to creep up towards the end of the study period as we're getting out to the 4 to 5 month point with symptomatic infection.
For study participants, they had an increased risk of getting a mild case of COVID-19 as time from the initial vaccine increased. Dr. Ohoro describes this increased risk as going from very, very low to very low.
Vaccines are really meant to keep people from getting severe disease, complications, and hospitalization and death.
So why would the Pfizer vaccine most likely need a booster according to this study?
Part of it is the high degree of disease burden. So the more commonly you're exposed to a vaccine, the more to an infection, the more opportunities you have for vaccine breakthrough. The other thing is that the coronavirus has some mechanisms to evade immunity. This is why we see people who get infections are at risk for reinfection several months later. And so it seems to require just a little bit more boosting to try to overcome that, or I should say, we suspect it will require some sort of boosting strategy to overcome that.
He says we should continue to keep an eye on public health measures and be aware that vaccine boosters are likely in the near future. This is an example of data that the FDA needs to further the discussion on booster shots. Back to you.